Okay, this home is 4082 Longworth Loop. It is $359,000. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,886 square feet, built 2008, and it's on about 0.17 of an acre. Beautiful 3-car garage. This is a very nice neighborhood, and it's got a really nice view in the back. Very clean, looks like it's been repainted. The roof looks very nice as well. There's a big back porch. Neighbor already has a fence on one side, so you would just need to fence the other. And here's the back view, so super nice. Right outside of this community is a huge park called Austin Tyndall Park, and there's a lot of soccer going on there. Lots of big park, baseball, everything. It's a beautiful house. Modern lights, very nice. The entrance. As you come in, there's a sitting room to the right. This is what the entrance looks like. To the left, there's a room. Office, there's no closet. Probably a half bathroom, yep, half bath. Here is the garage. Very large, roomy, painted floor. Very nice. Okay, as you continue to go through, there's the view. Here's your kitchen. Very nice fixtures. And a living room. Again, the view. And another back porch. One is covered, one is not. 2 pantries, 1 pantry, 2 pantries, and then some additional storage, it looks like, right here. Yeah, big closet, huge closet. Oh, laundry room. Okay, additional storage here underneath the stairs, and up the stairs we go. Get up here. There's a little room here, a little loft, and this is the master. It's very big, vaulted ceilings. Master bedroom, bathroom, 2 closets, looks like. Here's a shower and a water closet. And a nice big tub. Probably could use some art here. Dual sinks. Very big room. And then out of the master, this will be bedroom number 2. So I don't think the one downstairs counts as a bedroom because it didn't have a closet. So there's a huge room downstairs. You could use it as a bedroom. So I think that's bedroom number 2. And then here's bathroom number 2.5. And then bedroom number 3. These are some really good sized rooms, I guess, because the square footage is almost 3,000. Okay. And then bedroom number 4. Okay, so I hope you liked the tour of this one. And again, just to recap, this is 4082 Longworth Loop, very, very close to Lake Nona. It is 359,000, sporting 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,868 square feet, sitting on 0.17 acres, and the HOA is $65 a month. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.